Shanghai Rockben, located in Jinshan District, Shanghai, is about 1 hour drive from Shanghai Hongqiao International Airport. The company has been established for 17 years. We have over 1,000 corporate clients. Our products are exported to Europe, America, and many other countries, and have won the favor of international shipowners and the praise of American professional customers. Our workshop features state-of-the-art equipment, including laser cutting machines, CNC bending machines, and both automatic and semi-automatic welding robots. This advanced technology ensures precision, superior product quality, and improved safety for our workers. Our main products include tool trolleys, tool cabinets, workbenches, and other workshop facilities. Our tool trolleys deliver 10 years of reliable, trouble-free performance. We offer a wide range of tool cabinets, with single-drawer load capacities ranging from 80 kilograms to 200 kilograms, designed to meet diverse usage needs. Our cabinets feature advanced safety mechanisms like drawer safety catches and a one-drawer opening system. We provide over 100 types of workbenches, which can be used individually or combined into workstations. These solutions enhance the working environment, boost efficiency, and help reduce costs. By delivering high-quality products and services, we have earned the trust of more customers and successfully expanded our presence in international markets. Choose Rockben. Choose better.